Today is my dad's birthday, and I wanted to decorate his gifts with a big fat bird because he loves feeding his birds, his wild birds. And so I made a big fat bird to sit on top of his gifts. I made it out of paper. I wanted to show you. I've never done this before. So I didn't do a how-to step by step because it was just wild. But this is how it turned out. This is artist Julianne Strickland. Hope you're having the best day ever.